Fellas, it's that time. What is going on, guys? Mr. Dill back with another video. Today we will be unboxing and a slight review of the limited edition Year of the Rat from Ducky. Now, this is limited to 2020 pieces, so if you were not able to grab one, unfortunately they are sold out, and I believe they are not restocking. So the only way that you would be able to obtain one would be most likely on eBay for an inflated price, unfortunately. But yeah, enough with the jibber jabber. Let's just get right on into it, boy. On the bottom and the back of the case, there is a 3D art print which pops out, giving it awesome texture. We have our 3-level angle adjustment keyboard stand. You're able to adjust the stand to any height you want. Each keyboard is assigned an edition number out of the 2020 that were made and is engraved in the front and the bottom of the keyboard. So the big difference with this one compared to previous Ducky 1-2 minis or any Duckies in general is the hot swappable capability. What that means is if you ordered brown switches, you can actually take the switches out and replace them with any other switches you would like. Be that blue, red, pandas, alpacas, Sonic the Hedgehogs, Naruto's, avatars, Iron Man switches, whatever. Most of those don't exist, those switches that I mentioned, but you get the gist. This also comes with a brighter performance anti-ghosting purple dual layer PCB board. It enhances the life expectancy and signal stability with a high gloss silver steel plate. Unlike the HyperX mousepad, the Year of the Rat mousepad does not scratch up like this. You see here the white marks. Luckily, the Year of the mousepad is made with better quality and does not get stained very easily. So here I'm just checking the dimensions. I want to make sure that you guys know 14 by 31.5 inches. It is slightly smaller than the HyperX extra large mousepad that I am currently using. And the weight is 593 grams. It comes with a USB Type-C. However, I don't know if you guys were following on Twitter, but on Twitter, they put up an image of a detachable wireless receiver, which means they were planning on making this a wireless keyboard. Hopefully, in the future, we will be seeing a wireless Ducky 1-2 Mini. There are some more features that are specific to this keyboard. Just like any graffiti artist, as they spray paint on the brick walls, there is a misty feel on the keycap, which actually feel quite nice. It's very subtle. It gives it a nice texture on the keycaps. Okay guys, the keyboard is actually really well built. I would definitely recommend it. In my opinion, it's a 9 out of 10. The only thing that would have made it a 10 out of 10 would have been the aluminum base and the 65% keyboard. And if it did have that wireless receiver, that would have just blew it out the water, but it didn't, so we can't really comment about that. Look. How do you feel about the keyboard? You like the keyboard? She's leaning towards it. I think that's a yes. She wants it. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You can comment about anything, comment about the keyboard. If you do find it on eBay, let me know what prices you see it for. If you did buy it on eBay, how much did you buy it for? I have seen the limited edition Year of the Pig go for upwards of $1,000 and got sold at $1,000. The prices, they can't get up there. And you can pretty much comment about anything. It doesn't have to be about the keyboard. If you just want to chat, just, you know, comment. I keep saying that there is big things happening, big things coming up, which is true. It's life-changing, so make sure you subscribe so you can be part of that journey. Come with us along the way. If you do go on mechanicalkeyboards.com, be sure to use that creator code Mr. Dill at the checkout. It does help support us. It'll help get this little baby into college. Say hi. Say hi, Duty. That's their nickname, Duty. Anyways, let me know if you get any keyboards. Which keyboard did you get from mechanicalkeyboards.com? And until next time, guys, peace out.